What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You're watching Mitten Stay Outdoors, and in this video, me and a couple buddies are going to be ice fishing. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.
Well, there it is. Already got oh man, some fish on the ice here. Dropping on my fish. Good start to the Michigan 2024-25 season. Beautiful start. Got a couple fish down there. Get right down to them. Oh yeah, one hit it on the way down.
Way over here now.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Got one coming up for it. There it is. Dank. What a dank. Oh, he's gonna self-release himself. He doesn't want to go back down the hole. One coming up for it already. Then he went back down. One coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up, and there he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful looking ones. We could be picky now. We could be picky. We can be picky. This will make a good YouTube video. So this will make a good YouTube video. Come on. Can't even get down there before they start coming up for it. Look at that one racing up from the bottom.
You also need like super heavy jigs so that
Take it.
you can get down there really quick.
Got one chasing it right now. Come on, eat it.
It's gonna get it.
Eat it.
Get on it.
There we go. Oh. Here's like a nicer one.
Like, oh yeah, not bad.
Medium size. Still definitely smaller than the ones I've been keeping. Definitely will make a good YouTube video. Yeah. What's up, Jen?
Over there, I walked past it. That big around. Oh yeah, long.
I caught a 9.5 incher that's probably 2.5 years old. Like light colored, like its gear was huge. I didn't keep it.
I just passed was huge. It's like, goddamn. Hey, shit walking down here.
Huh?
Oh yeah, as soon as I come right around, I like a little open place. That trail to my left foot goes boom.
Rip. Well, I'm glad you decided to stop out.
Go by every year. So as soon as it expires, it buys it the next day.
Yeah, they like that hole. They're not.
Coming back to it.
They're not in this hole at all. As I say that.
Oh, you spit it.
As I say that.
Oh, okay, instead of
Shoo! Look at that one, buddy.
that's a stud.
Fuck.
Fuck yeah, that's a good one.
Hammered.
On the pit.
Hammered it. Look at that. Shoo! I was just saying, there's no fish in this hole. Wham!
That's always how it goes. Jig out, make sure he's gonna catch some fish on it.
No shit.
They like it. They're really digging the chartreuse today. It's because it's so sunny.
Well, yeah.
If it was cloudy, I'd be running pink probably.
Good for you.
You probably do too, you just can't see them. Oh, but they're being weird.
Yeah, tell me about it. Probably all in their face. There we go. Definitely in their face.
Honestly, at this depth, I wouldn't be surprised if I'd be reading fish that are on the outside of your hole.
Oh yeah, easy. You can go back. I've got a fish on, but I get them all wrapped up. I'm all wrapped up, buddy. This ain't good.
fish on, but you're all wrapped up.
Yeah. I got it now. Oh. He inhaled it on the way down.
That buddy that sent me the picture of the walleye, he texted me and said there's some, he just said the same thing that guy did, there's some fucking really big perch in here.
Yep. 5, 10. I think I got 16 fish. Oh, baby. Although.
Oh yeah, you got some shit underneath you. I'll let you use that. Wait for the fucking flag to go off. There you go.
Get off the ice.
Ooh, good one.
Hey, get in there. Huh?
11.
Caught up to me pretty quick out of that hole. Huh?
I got 13.
Still caught up to me pretty quick.
Fuck yeah. All produced. Uh-oh.
The lightest bite ever, dude. I only fell up.
I need some tank too.
He's full of them though. I don't know. Yeah, he's full. Full of them bugs. You can see it really in the sun. Dude. I'm missing them. miss that one. Oh, baby. Ugh. Man, if they didn't have all the... There's so many fish right on the bottom, dude. Oh, I lost that one. He popped off. Brought him up like 5 foot and then he popped off. Didn't miss that one. Feels like a dink though. Just rip and drag. Swan Waxy's been doing me good though. Had the same one on for a minute. I think we found it like weed bed or something, buddy.
There's something around here they like to hang out next to. When they do leave, they don't go far.
No.
They come here big.
How's it going? How was your luck this morning?
Oh, it's pretty good so far.
Pretty good. They're eating pretty decent. They're being aggressive.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Decent size, nothing too small, nothing too huge. I've caught one pretty decent one, about 9.5 inches. It was thick too.
Good
Just
stuff.
full of bugs though. So I had to get back. It is what it is. Small water. It's
How long have you guys been out here?
An hour maybe.
Okay,
so-
gotcha.
Yeah, about an hour and a half.
We're out there like 4 hours, and we haven't got too many, but they're starting to catch them. They said.
Heck
I
yeah.
got muskrat earlier, and they said they didn't catch anything.
Oh, really?
Right.
Cool. There was a couple old guys out there earlier that I checked in muskrat, but yeah, nothing really biting. So.
Okay, gotcha.
Right on. That's it. Oh, there's a muskrat right
I was
there.
gonna say, speaking of muskrat.
Wow.
I know there's some really good
That's funny.
Some really good crappie at muskrat.
Yeah, yep. If you can get to them, there is. Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Fishing over there is weird though. It's like ice fishing. You're fishing like 5, 6, 7 foot of water.
Mm.
It's wild.
Yep. Well, cool guys.
Yeah.
Good luck to you, and hopefully you get limit. So.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Yeah, thank you.
Good thing we spotted
Whose is that? I like that.
Oh, my dear.
You put your tag on.
That's what I asked him. I was like, you just threw your dare tag on. He's like, yeah, it has all my information on it. Might as well. I'm like, that's actually smart.
I mean, you could scan it and everything.
Yeah, that's great. I like it.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Yeah, I'm going to start doing that with mine. I got a couple of deer tags from last season that I could do. I still got my antlerless from this tag that I haven't filled yet.
Yeah. I mean, they stay on there.
Yeah, it does the trick.
I mean, obviously it caught his eye. Just catching them left and right. It's a nice clean one right there. Gotta love when they're coming up for it as it's coming down. They're nice and hungry. Oh, I missed that one. There we go. Oh. Caden?
Huh?
That's an easy 8-inch bluegill. Look at that. Bigger than my hand.
I would still tell you hit that.
Oh, Caden got one.
Tanker only.
Got him on the board. That is a good one.
Oh, that's a keeper, buddy.
Think so?
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, look at the other ones I got sitting there.
that's definitely a keeper.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, it should be.
There we go, doubled up.
Number one. Surf fishing.
Oh, baby.
That's
Talk about tankers.
Taught you well.
I don't even know how much I got. Like 17, 18, I think. No, I need to start slowing down. Let me count real quick. Too bad that one wasn't so alive. I'd throw him back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19? I'm at 19. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah, I'm at 19 fish. 6 more boys. Then I have to go for a walleye. Well, the battery ended up dying for the camera. Ended up finishing out my limit. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I'd appreciate it if you can like and subscribe. Thank you.